on a treasure hunt. I long for something new. Have you heard the fairies when they sing and dance? Oh, I wish it was me every night. When I close my eyes, I see
everyone, I'm Marie from Southern Country Living, and I hope you're having an amazing day today. The weather here is beautiful in Georgia today, and so today I'm going to be making a no-bake dessert again, and this one is called a no-bake Twinkie dessert. And this is my ingredients: milk, Jello pudding, Cool Whip, let's just say cherries, and Twinkies, and pineapple and bananas. And so this is another really easy recipe. So let me get started on it. The first thing I'm going to do is take my Twinkies out of my wrapper. And I'm going to slice them and put them in this pan right here. This is a 9 by 13. I don't like this knife. I always use my steak knife, and it just seems to work better for me on everything. I've tried to buy new knives, and I always go back to my steak knife. Okay, and then you just put them in your pan like this, and you line it all the way down. I tried cutting them that way, and we'll see if cutting them this way will do better. Yeah, I believe I like this way the best. Calvin's been telling me some of the nice comments that our subscribers have been making since I've been sick. This is my first day back to filming, so I like to thank all of y'all for y'all's well wishes. There we go. So that's the hardest part of this recipe. Okay, I'm going to move some of this out of the way. Move this out of the way. Now then, I'm going to mix up my Jello pudding. And I'm going to put 2 cups of cold milk in this. now then I'm gonna put my bananas in. I hear people out cutting grass again today. Calvin got our yard cut yesterday. Sure does look good too. Oh, he did all that weed eating. It always feels good to get your chores done. So it's another one of those fast and easy recipes that makes life so much easier. Could put one more banana on there, but I think I'm going to stop right there. I think that's got enough. Come out. My pudding's set really good.
Does pineapple go next, Marie?
Let's see, the Twinkies and the bananas and the crushed pineapple. Yes, Mr. Calvin, he's on top of me today. I'm still getting over from being sick, so I need a little help from the director today.
Well, this recipe has got a lot of my favorite ingredients in it, and so I'm looking forward to eating it. I remember you making them years ago, but I don't remember exactly how they tasted.
Yeah, it's been a while.
You've been telling me for 2 or 3 months that you wanted to make one of these.
Yeah, you didn't seem like you wanted one, but you must have changed your mind.
Well, last time we tried to make them, we couldn't get the Twinkies. They didn't have any at Walmart.
Okay. Yeah, we would have to go up to the bakery way up in North Rome to get some. Okay. Now the pudding goes on. It's gotten a little thick too. Let me put some lumps on here. One thing I gotta get, I forgot too, is my nuts. I gotta get them out.
Pecans.
Yes, my pecans. Or pecans, pecans. Whatever part of the country you're from.
Well, Marie, that sure is starting to look good.
Yeah, it's kind of like a Twinkie banana pudding.
You know, I'm going to be looking forward to trying this one.
Yeah.
I think we're going to have to give part of it away, though, because that's a 9 to 13. That's a lot of dessert.
Yeah, you're right about that. You're not really supposed to eat desserts.
Yeah, I'll just eat a small piece.
Yep. Me and Calvin has tried using sugar-free stuff, but we just don't like it, do we, Calvin?
It don't taste as good.
But it's more healthier, I guess.
I guess we'll get used to it someday, but not today.
Okay. So I'm going to go ahead and chop these pecans right here to go on top. I forgot to set them out a while ago. Okay, I think that's enough right there. If you don't like pecans, you could probably put walnuts on it. Or just leave them off if you don't like them. Okay, so let's put that right there. So now then I'm going to put my Cool Whip on. I didn't have my paper towel over here like Calvin does, so I made a mess. I put mine on my mat. I'm going to have to learn from Calvin, I guess. All right. Now then I'm going to put on the nuts, pecans, it's not going to be long till we'll be using pecans a lot and holiday bacon and all of that. Be making those pecan pies. Okay, sure did turn out pretty. They usually do. Okay, this here is my no-bake Twinkie cake, and y'all seen how easy it was to make, and it's really good too. So I think if y'all try to make this dessert, y'all really enjoy it. Like I said, it's really easy to make too. Okay, I'll probably refrigerate this Twinkie cake for about a couple of hours, and then I'll be back and we'll tell you how we like it. We'll rate it. Okay, everyone, it's been several hours later now, so it's time to do the taste test. And Calvin's going to do it with me also.
Yay!
Okay. Okay, do you want to get a picture of it, Calvin?
I get some pictures later. That looks great, Marie. Can I go ahead and taste it while you get yours, or?
Okay.
Man, let me hold it for the camera. Look how pretty that looks. I like this side here too. Okay, taste test. Marie, you want a taste of mine? And I'll get a picture of yours.
Okay.
You know what I like about it? It's got the taste of, I taste that banana in it. It's sort of got a little banana pudding taste to it.
It's real good.
It's been so long since I had this, like I said, I don't remember what it tasted like. But that's very good.
It's delicious. And very easy to make too.
Well, there may not be any of this left by the time I get through. Very good.
So what do you rate it?
I'm gonna have to give that 5 stars. That was very, very good. And I love how good it looks. I can't wait to take a few pictures of it. That's the reason I said save that piece there. We'll get a picture of it, because this is gonna make some great pictures for your video.
Yeah, I'll give it 5 stars also.
Oh yes, that looks tremendous. I can't wait till
And I also give it 5 stars because it's very easy. It's a no bake recipe.
well, you did a good job on this, Marie, for your first video back from not feeling too good. So, glad you made it through it okay.
Yeah, I did. And it wasn't that, what's the right word for it? Strenuous or,
Wasn't too bad.
yeah.
Okay, great. Okay. So we both gave it 5 stars? Good, good. I'll
Okay.
let you close it out.
Okay, y'all do what you love and love what you do. And we'll see y'all on the next video. Bye.
As a young girl, the fields were mine. We played hide and seek for hours, raised our shadows among the pines. So offshore, playful and free, without a care.